Yeah. Oh, you filming for? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yep, just another day in the ditches, baby. Getting some clips, having fun, taking some dips. You already know what it is.
$5 if he gets the manual first try. Only first try. He landed it first try. Cool. You're welcome, peanut butter.
You guys take this candle seriously. And yes!
Yeah. Okay, I'll take orange. Who wants a green?
Oh, we got a blue.
Who wants a blue?
Yeah. Throw some like green in there.
Yeah, man. We got all these glow sticks. We're putting a couple in the holes along the walls to try and keep ourselves safe. We're gonna try and do some long exposure shots.
Hey, look at that.
Verified. Trying to keep up with you, and I didn't even see the hole. I just went like straight into it.
I ollied over it.
I was like, oh, keep up with Troy. Like, didn't even realize the hole was there. It was like, boom, like straight down. Oh, I feel like I popped my shoulder out or something. Right? Slapped.
Trying it for a while, but we just turned on some DMX, and I think that's really gonna put him over the edge. Ready? Yeah.
guys doing?
I bumped my shoulder out and I fell in that hole yesterday. So I'm having a hard time skating today, but it's the last day, so.
Well, I'm just trying to talk to Nick about dropping a mixtape. Not sure yet.
I'm just babysitting.
This ditch is like a little game show. Your entry fee is just dropping in. And now you have to choose door 1, 2, 3, or 4. And we're not telling anyone what the right door is.
I'm definitely going 1.
I'm going 2.
2.
For sure.
Yep.
What about you?
Nick, you're going too?
I'm going 2.
I'm gonna follow
too,
Nick
then.
because he's the smartest one.
There could be a homeless dude in there. There could be spray cans. There could be dead pigeons.
There could be the ditch with the.
No. I knew I should have gone through number 3. I got nervous.
That was an experience.
I think we're close to the hotel, aren't we? I'm not doing it. We're from Canada. We like foreigners.
Yeah, love the
You don't have to tell me because I'm from Haiti. I grew up with people coming to from Canada helping Haitian. I know Canada is the down to earth people. So shout out.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, those people with uniform, they use the badge to manipulate the people on the street, on the road. It's getting my freaking nerve. So now I'm okay.
You gotta move up to Canada. There's nothing but
It's
love
too
up there.
cold. It's too cold. Actually, I'm looking for a boyfriend in Canada, but I cannot find one. And you have to be 60 or 62. So
This guy in the backseat's looking for a girlfriend.
I know you're too young for me, baby. You're driving me nuts.
I hope you have a wonderful day. Oh. It's sunset, it's magic hour, and we're getting those bangers with Kevin from the Mirrors on the ground. And he's gonna party trick.
But yeah, you guys just did a ton of takes. There's at least 3 that I was happy with. But yeah,
Pictures are tight.
I was surprised that I got it.
Totally did it.